how's it going? Oh my gosh, Coach Megan here. And guess what? We have a special guest.
Woo!
Shiloh. Everyone say hi to Shiloh.
Hi.
So I met Shiloh. I was doing a stunt job on that show Criminal Minds, and she was one of the actresses
Yes.
on the show.
That was really fun.
Shiloh has an amazing YouTube channel. You have
Thank you.
got to check it out. She is going to tell you right now about it.
It's called Shiloh to Judah, and the link is in the description. So make sure to check it out. And yeah, let's get started.
And subscribe to her channel. You guys, Shiloh to Judah. She's really great in the videos. So I highly recommend visiting her there.
Thanks.
So we are going to be doing a video on the level 3 tumbling floor routine skills. I know that's so many words. So I'm gonna go over, and Shiloh, the most important points of each skill. And if you really want the full tutorial of each skill, I'll put it up here because I think we both talk a lot. So if we go through all of the skills and every single pointer, we will be here until midnight.
Yeah.
Kind of like that, the Dodgers baseball game the other night. So let's get to it. Skill number 1 is going to be handstand bridge kickover with Shiloh. Woo! Awesome, and thanks for being here, everyone.
Kick. Go right here, and then you really want to push this.
Back leg straight. Good job. Give her a hand, everyone. Awesome. High five. Nice work. So, she has a beautiful lever. Did you guys see? Awesome kick and lever. She had a beautiful handstand. The only thing is, let's make sure to hold that handstand so vertical. And then, when you go into your bridge, get those armpits and shoulders back past your hands. And then you're gonna be golden. And it is okay with the judges to bend your knees slightly and land with your feet a little bit apart, right? You're going into the back bend. Just make sure to focus on your hands also. And when you went in your split, after she kicked over in the split handstand, you really want to push those shoulders and really show that vertical. So it should go hands, head, butt, foot, and foot. Okay, so really, show that.
Statue.
Exactly. Oh, that's actually good. 120 degrees. It's about like this. When you're doing your split. Show that lever coming out of it and a nice solid lunge, and then you're good to go. So now we're going to do the round off back handspring rebound stick. But sometimes my brain just gets foggy and I forget stuff. What are some of the main points I need to think about? I can't remember anything right now.
You really need to pass vertical and your round off.
Oh, pass through vertical in my round off.
Yes. And then you don't want to squat when you go into your back handspring.
Now, what can help me be less squatty going into my back handspring?
When you come out of your round off, you want to get your hands up and your chest high really fast. And then you want to tuck in your butt and then have your feet a little bit in front of you.
Oh my gosh, that's such a great point.
And then you want to have a really long back handspring because you don't want to be really cramped.
Oh, I don't want to cramp my style.
Alright. And then you also want to not slow down when you're running because you can run.
That's a good point.
You sometimes think about it too much and then you can maybe slow down. You just don't want to do that. And then also you want to have a nice rebound and stick.
Oh, rebound out of my back handspring. That's right.
And then you also, one more thing, you also want to land with both feet together on both your round off and back handspring.
Oh my gosh, you are really like a wizard. How do you know all this stuff? She's really good, guys.
Thanks.
All right, thank you for the pointers. I am going to attempt to
Yes.
try to put that all in my brain.
Attempt and succeed.
Yes. Here we go.
Woo! Coach Megan! Whoa, whoa.
Oh, what did I do?
You slow down. You can't slow down.
I slowed down. I knew something was wrong. I mean,
need
come on, Meg. All right, here we go.
One more time. You can do it. Woo! Nice job.
Yes,
She did it.
thanks, coach.
High five.
Again.
All right.
Awesome. Moving on to our next skill, handstand, straight arm, forward roll.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna use the cloud mat because we're not on the spring floor and we want to save our noggin so, you know, we don't get dizzy or get a headache. So we have this nice mat, so we might as well use it. But you will be on the regular flat surface
So
for the real situation.
make sure not to like fall on your back because that can sometimes give you a really bad headache. So
She just brought up a really great point. When you fall into your roll, she before and a lot of other students, they'll fall like onto their back too
Yeah.
much. Think of going from here, then here, then here, then here, then here, rolling down, vertebrae by vertebrae, but obviously never on the top of your head. I mean, duh. So she's gonna do it, and then I will correct her. And yeah, always use a soft mat if you're
At
just
first.
starting to learn this trick because safety first, kids
Yep.
and adults.
Safety first, everybody.
All right, you got this.
I can reach. Okay.
Awesome! You guys, high five. Good job. She improved so much since when I saw her do it before. Great. So we do need to show that handstand. You wanna,
You want to hold it as long as possible.
the judges, they need to see at least 1 second. So if you
Yeah.
can make it to 1 second in that nice vertical position, that would be super duper. And then when you step out of it, because it is a step out, so just make sure you don't bend that one knee too soon or it looks like a
Like
flamingo in the air.
Yeah.
But she did a really good job. Just remember to squeeze those legs, see your hands, right?
Yeah.
And
your hand.
show that lever going into it. And on all these kicks, make sure you're horizontal. And make sure in that handstand, your arms are not like noodles. They're straight like pencils. You're really pushing your shoulders up.
And you want to have them tight to your ears. Imagine there's a little glue here and here, and you want to have them glued right there. That helps me a lot because sometimes I bring one arm back. So
Good point, I told you. And yeah, really keep those arms straight throughout the whole thing. And then your arms stay by your ears. You do not ever want to use your hands to help yourself up. Moving on to the next trick.
woohoo!
She's doing a great job. Back extension roll with straight arms to push-up position.
Mouthful.
Yeah. Backwards roll with straight arms. You could say that too. Push-up position. Can you help me out with some of these main points that the judges might be looking for?
Oh, yeah, glue your arms to your ears.
Arms to your ears. Got it.
And then you don't want to put your hands down going into the roll.
Oh,
that's a big
so
no-no.
smart.
Because
Oh.
if you go right here and then you touch it perhaps, then they're going to dock you for that because, yeah. So, you don't
Okay,
want to do that.
alrighty, I will stay away from that. How far away should my hands be during the roll?
You need to be shoulder with the
Shoulder width apart. Got it. And how do I land again? Like,
in a hollow push-up position.
okay, hollow push-up position. Got
Get
it.
that.
Okay, let's do this.
Do it. You can do it. Nope.
What happened? Oh my gosh. I just lost all my gymnastics ability.
Sometimes I do that. Like, you don't. Anyway, you don't want to put your hands. You put your hands.
Oh yeah, I put my hands. Okay.
Yes.
Bad hand. Stop that. Okay, so I will keep my arms by my ears.
Yes. Arms by your ears. And you go.
Okay. Is that better?
That was, from what I can see, perfect.
Awesome. And one more tip that might help you guys out when you go, some kids will fall back like too much like that. Really like kind of get your butt to your heels almost.
Yeah.
Because that's gonna like help you get more balance, and then really push with your legs. And remember, I'll put up here the full tutorials of all those things. She did a great job. Did I do okay?
Oh no, you did amazing. Yes.
And great
That's a
job
nice
coaching.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, so we are gonna do our end of the video trick. And we hope you guys learned a few pointers. I wish you luck with the level 3 routine. And maybe I'll come back soon and do the dance skills of the routine. Alrighty, end of the workout, or end of the video trick. So her end of the video trick is going to be her back handspring. And I'm gonna give her a spot. But come on, Shiloh, do the best you can.
I will.
Good job! It was better. Whoa, nice work.
Thanks.
Wow!
She did it! That was amazing.
Thank you.
Thanks. I don't know what level that was, but that was a really nice job.
Thank you so much, Shiloh. I really appreciate your help. And
thank
hopefully you guys will get to see her a lot when you visit her channel.
Yes.
Woohoo! Okay, guys. Yes. Okay, over and out.
Bye.
Chihuahua.
Woo.